One thing that agencies that are just getting started out don't really have a good grasp on is that they don't realize that they need to be in network with as many payers as possible. You don't want to be in your community marketing and trying to get patients and not be able to service those patients because you're not in network with that insurance payer. In your particular area, you need to find out who are the top players by volume, by how many patients they have in their network, and you need to know all the payer sources so that as you're getting geared up to get started, you're reaching out to every single provider relations person that you could find in those networks and making sure that you're enrolled. Because once you really start to push your marketing efforts, you don't want a call coming in and that person having Blue Cross Blue Shield and you're not in network with Blue Cross Blue Shield, because that's a wasted effort, whether you were going doctor to doctor and getting referrals or it was just an ad campaign. Someone calling you for your efforts and not being able to convert on that referral is just a stupid way for you to lose out on a potential referral.